Welcome back to MIVI Embedded channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone working in industrial automation: how to install CODESYS software on your PC. CODESYS is a powerful platform that supports IEC 61131-3 programming and is a go-to for PLC programming and industrial automation projects. Whether you're just starting or need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type CODESYS and hit enter. Look for the official website, which is from the CODESYS group. Click on the CODESYS group to go to their homepage. On the homepage, you'll notice several sections. Look for the option to free download the software and click on it. This will redirect you to the free download page. Here, you'll find the download options for the CODESYS Development System v3. Based on your computer's specifications, choose either the 32-bit or 64-bit version. If you're unsure, check your system type by going to your PC settings. If you already have a CODESYS account, simply log in to download the software. For those who don't have an account, don't worry. Creating one is quick and easy. Click on the Create Account button. You'll see two options: a Create Company Account and an Create Individual Customer Account. Let's go with the Individual Customer Account for this tutorial. Fill in all the required details, including your email address, and click Save and Create Account. You'll receive a verification email. Open your email, verify your account, and then return to the CODESYS website. Once your account is verified, go back to the free download section. Select the version you need and click Download. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed. The download process may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file is saved. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. Follow these steps. 1. Click Next on the welcome screen. 2. Accept the license agreement by checking the box. 3. Click Install to begin the installation. The installation process might take 30 to 40 minutes, so sit tight. Once it's done, click Finish to complete the setup. And that's it. You've successfully installed the CODESYS development system on your PC. With this tool, you're now ready to start programming your PLCs and exploring automation solutions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the MIVI Embedded channel for more tech insights. Drop your questions or feedback in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.